Have you ever wondered how celestial events can impact our world? It's a question that sparked countless debates and theories. In the realm of astrology, there's a belief that the movements and positions of celestial bodies can significantly influence our lives and the events that unfold on Earth. Consider, for instance, the planets. These celestial bodies dancing in their orbits are more than just distant specks of light. Each one carries a unique energy, a distinct personality, if you will, that astrologers believe can resonate with us here on Earth. Take Uranus, synonymous with chaos, freedom, and change, or Jupiter, the planet of expansion and growth. When these celestial giants align in the cosmos, as they're set to do in the sign of Taurus on April 20th, 2024, the effects could be profound. While we may not fully understand these cosmic influences, one thing is certain. Indeed, the cosmos holds mysteries that are yet to be fully understood. On April 20th, 2024, a rare celestial event is set to occur that could have profound effects on our world. In the grand cosmic dance, Uranus, the planet often associated with chaos, freedom, and change, will align with Jupiter, the planet of expansion and growth. And where does this celestial rendezvous take place? In the sign of Taurus, the firm and grounded earth sign, known for its reliability and practicality. Now, why is this alignment so significant? Well, it's rare, for one. But more interestingly, similar alignments in the past have coincided with major breakthroughs in a variety of fields. From science and technology to creative arts and philosophy, these alignments have often acted as catalysts for innovation and revelation. Think of it as a cosmic push, a celestial nudge, if you will, encouraging us to break boundaries, to think outside the box, to challenge the status quo, and not just in our personal lives, but on a global scale. It's no coincidence that such alignments have been linked to revolutions in politics and social movements. In astrology, Uranus shakes things up, and Jupiter magnifies everything it touches. Together, in the grounded sign of Taurus, they could bring about change that is not only significant but also stable and long-lasting. While the exact impact of this alignment is unknown, astrologers predict that it could bring about significant changes in our world. So let's keep our eyes to the skies and our hearts open to the possibilities that lie ahead. Astrologers predict that this celestial alignment could bring significant changes. Now, let's delve into the potential impacts this event could have on our world. In the realm of science and technology, a similar alignment in the past has been noted to coincide with remarkable breakthroughs. Think of the rapid development of artificial intelligence or the discovery of new, life-altering medicines, with Uranus, the planet of change, meeting Jupiter, the planet of growth, in Taurus, a sign known for its practicality and reliability. We might be on the brink of another scientific revolution. Moving to the creative and philosophical front, these alignments often spark a global awakening. The last time Jupiter and Uranus met in Taurus, we witnessed the rise of influential philosophical theories that reshaped our understanding of the world. This time, the alignment could inspire a new wave of artistic creativity or philosophical thought that challenges established norms and pushes boundaries. In terms of politics and social movements, the influence of Uranus and Jupiter could ignite the flame of revolution. Historically, these alignments have been associated with times of great social change and political upheaval, leading to new societal structures and a renewed sense of collective identity. So, as we anticipate this celestial event, let's remember that change is the only constant in our universe. Be sure to mark your calendars for April 20th, 2024, and stay tuned for updates on this rare and potentially transformative event. Interested in learning more about this celestial event and its potential impacts? Well, the stars are aligning in your favor. This is your chance to delve deeper into the mysteries of the cosmos. You can read about historical celestial events, their impacts, and the incredible breakthroughs they've sparked. Now, imagine what could happen when Uranus, the planet of chaos, freedom, and change, aligns with Jupiter, the planet of expansion and growth, in the sign of Taurus. It's an event that's got astrologers, scientists, and dreamers alike buzzing with anticipation. In order to stay up to date with this celestial event, we've got a treat for you. We've put together a brief video that gives you a little more insight into what's to come. You can find this video on our website, linked below. This is your call to action. Dream bigger with the help of the cosmos. Here is a link to a website with a brief video that tells you a little more about dreaming bigger. Stay curious and continue exploring the mysteries of the universe with us.